Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add extra baggage with Porter Airlines. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to add extra baggage with Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to www.flyporter.com. Once logged in on the home page, hover over Manage Flights, which we have in here, which is in the top menu. And from these options in here, go ahead and click on My Bookings, and that is going to take you to the My Bookings page where you can now manage all of your existing and upcoming bookings. So we have bookings here. Now I do not have a booking, that's why this is just showing that I should book a flight. But if you have bookings, you're going to see an option for you to enter your booking reference and your last name. So enter your booking reference and your last name and click on Find Your Booking to view your reservation details. Now, once your booking is displayed, look for the baggage or add baggage option within the booking summary or trip details section. Then click on Add Baggage to proceed to the baggage selection page. On the baggage page, you will see the options to add checked baggage based on the available weight and quantity limits. Then choose the number of extra bags or additional weight you need by selecting from the available options. The next step is to review the baggage fees that apply to your selection. The fees will vary based on the number of bags and their weights. After selecting your baggage options, click Continue. Then you'll be directed to a payment page to complete the transaction for the additional baggage. Enter your payment details, which could include credit card or other accepted payment methods, and confirm the payments by clicking Pay Now. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation page showing the updated details of your booking with the extra baggage included. An updated email confirmation will also be sent, detailing the extra baggage you have added and the total charges. And that's it. Your extra baggage is now successfully added to your Porter Airlines booking. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.